Okay, so in this last piece of advice, what I wanted to show you guys is that the tremor effect that we used earlier, it can be reused really easily. All right, so we don't have to go down to the supermarket and buy a new one. It's going to save us a lot of time. All right, if we wanted to make, for example, a pack of different animated wedding cards, like I'm doing right here, it's going to save us a ton of time. So what we're going to do is as follows. In this case, I have another card that I animated, and now, like, how can I reuse this effect? Am I going to go to a flea market and buy a new one? No. I simply copy the two layers of the tremble effect and the settings layer, Control C, and I hit Control V in the other composition. Now, if we zoom in, we can see that it's changed a bit. Why has it changed? Well, because, when I put the project we used before, this didn't happen, right? This is because when we copy paste the effects layer in the effects control in the window tab, okay, is where you can find it. Look for effects control. Here it looked like they modified the movement map, or it's been modified. So we have to choose tremble effect, and there we have it. And now we have the effect ready to use in another animation. It's that easy. You now have that packed into a Tupperware. Guys, I really hope this has helped you a lot. This has been really fun to do. You just need to make a tremble effect once, and then you can reuse it as much as you want, okay? All right, guys, see you later.